Ladder Life Insurance Review. Watch before using. Most people get life insurance wrong. They think it's complicated and slow. The surprising truth about Ladder Life Insurance is how simple, flexible, and digital first it is, and you won't believe how quickly you can get coverage. Here's how it works. Ladder allows you to apply for term life insurance entirely online. You can adjust coverage amounts, add or remove policies, and manage your plan digitally, all without dealing with paperwork or agents. For example, a parent can start with a basic coverage amount and increase it as the family grows, all from the app or website. Most people get this wrong. They assume life insurance is static, but Ladder's flexibility lets you adjust coverage as life changes. Additional features include instant quotes, underwriting without medical exams in some cases, and transparent pricing. Users appreciate the easy-to-understand interface and the ability to track coverage online. However, there are considerations. Not all applicants qualify for instant underwriting, and some may still need medical exams. Most people assume digital insurance is less reliable. It's regulated, secure, and fully backed. In conclusion, Ladder Life Insurance is ideal for anyone seeking flexible, digital-first life insurance that adapts to life changes. It simplifies a traditionally complex process and provides peace of mind quickly. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of insurance products and financial tools.